to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all my subby for your support. If you're new here, welcome. I have an unboxing to share with you today. This item is I got it from Hermes website, and this item is on my wish list for a long time. And I saw my sister have it, my cousin have it. I already try on it, and I love so much. And I asked my essay, and but every time I went there, they doesn't have my size. And one day, 2 weeks ago, I saw it on the website, and, they have it on the website, and it's my size, so I got it right away. And I know, I should get it from the store. It's better, so I can get all my credit. But it's hard to get it from the store because my size is kind of I go at size 7 US, and sometimes they have it, but they don't have the color I want. And most of the time I saw it, but in different color. This is the color I really wanted, and so I should get another color also at that time, but I didn't get it. Now I really regret it. I wish I got it at 2 pair at that time. Let me open the box and I can show you. Here we go. It's hard because Hermes. I really like Hermes packing. They pack very well, and I will remove all the information here so that it's my personal information. And when you open it, in the front, on the top of the box, have a Hermes picture there, and this is the box. Orange box. Inside they very well packed, and you can flat the box out down and save for something else. And most of the time, I keep this box, the white box, outside, so I can ship something like to mail something. I don't have to waste the box, so I can reuse it, like recycle it to use for something else. That's how I did. Okay, the box is thick and very nice, so you can reuse it for something else. And this is the box, and the orange box. I love the orange box. And let's open it. This is the receipt. And when you order online, the receipt it came with the envelope like this. In the back is a return policy. I never return, so I never read it. There come a return policy in here, and this is a return policy in here too. They have both, so you can read it. And this is the receipt. Yep. And let I open this. Let me open together. I'm excited. Finally, I can get it. And let's put this aside. Here we go. And as you see, they came with one in each dress bag. This is the shoe. Most of the time I don't buy luxury shoes a lot. I'm not but I only want like one or two like in classic style. So, and here we go. This is the one. I got it in black. The day, and I saw on the website they have the white and the gold color too. I love the white one, but I should get the white one at that day also, but I didn't get it. Now I regret it. I wish I got the white one. And now they don't have. I checked this morning, and the white one, the white color is already sold out in my side. Maybe I have to wait again for the white one. I wear size 7 in US, and this is I got in size 37, and this is they call the name of this is let's see, uh Elder Espadrille Noir. Uh, um, this is made in Spain, and this is retail for $770. Um, this morning when I went on Hermes website, I noted that Hermes had increased the price on the small leather goods, but on the shoes they still have the same price. And because I want to get the white one, so that's why I check the website. Most of the time, I check the website every day, um, and I because I want to get the shoes that I want. So that I noted this morning. Um, Actually, they go up yesterday, uh, and the price on the small leather good like wallet and stuff like that, and they go up. They already went up, and but the shoes and the fashion jewelry is still the same price, and the belt is still the same. I don't know they will change or not, but that how I saw yesterday. And this is let I open another one. And this is how it look. It's in black because I know my sister said this is I cannot wear when it rain, only can the sunny day. But I love it because my feet is flat, and if I if you have the thick on the top on the what you call it, in the front, and have the heel like this, is make your feet more comfortable than this style. And this style, I got this one, and it's very comfortable, and but it's kind of because if you have a flat feet like me, and it's kind of really not really hard, it's still comfortable. But I found this one, the insole is from Target. This is just the gel, you can remove and wash it and put it back. It's not damage your shoe at all, but it's very helpful. And when I wore this one, I wear like 8 hours straight. I wore it to work, and one day 8 hour not hurt my feet at all. And before I don't have this, I went to church like for an hour, and it's okay, comfortable, but it's hurt a little bit. But after I put this on, and I this insole is clear and gel. I got it from Target. I will get more if I because that time when I got this one, it's only have one left. So I keep checking it. If I don't see it's on the Target website. But this not from Dr. Shoe. This is from the Target brand, but it's very good, and I love it. And it's only like $9.99, and it's very very good. I love so much. And you see this and these two shoes is the style is the same. In the front I have the letter H cut it like this. It's pretty and very classic, but this one is more like casual, more dressy, and this is more casual. And I will bring this one to the store, the shoe store where I live, my local shoe store. He can ask him to put the extra pad on the bottom like this for these shoes, because without without this is kind of a little bit slippery, and when I walk it can cluck 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 cluck. So that after I put this on, I when I walk I don't hear the noise, and it's not slippery at all. So it cost me $30 at the local the shoes the store store near my house, and he owned the shoes. The store is like for so many years. He very good at it. So I will bring it and ask him to put extra pad on these shoes for me, and I I will show you the height of the shoes, the heel. You can see the height of the heel is the same, but in the front, this is flat, but this is high. It's high, so it make your feet like more comfortable when you wear it. And let me show you the measurement of the heel. Is 3 inches. Is 7.5 centimeter, and same thing for like this shoe. The 3 inch is same height, and this one I got in 6.5, like 36.5, and this one I got is 37, because this one, this one, when your feet go down, and if you get like your um if I get 37, and when this one straight out, your feet will slide in the front. And this, because the reason I got 37 on this one, because this one have the height the like taller in the front, so your feet won't, like you can see, it's not really like slide out. So this one, when it's straight out, is still comfortable, and so that's why I got inside 37. And because my sister already have it, so that why she already wore it for years, so that why I try it. And it's when it straight not when it straight out, it's not straight out a lot, and so that why I got this in my regular size 37. And this one I have to get like half size smaller, and size 36.5. And all this in the I think this is what type of, I think it's scab skin. They didn't tell. I will look uh, in the website to see what the type of leather. And this one I will use the Apple brand, like the water resistant. I will spray on it, because that's how my sister did it. She spray on this one, so they won't damage the the material. And this is I know is not come off, but that's how my sister did. And she says you better protect it, if, in case you walk into the water or something, it won't damage it. And that is how she did. And I also get these this they call the bamboo charcoal, and I use this all in my shoes, because this charcoal, it will take all the odor and all the smell, because and all the bacteria, get rid of all the bacteria. So every time when I've done with my shoes, I just put like this and put in the on the shelf, or where I keep the, actually it's not in the shell, in the box, not Hermes box, the box to for shoes box, like clear with the hole, just so they can breathe. And I put this like put like this in the box, so in the where I keep the shoes. And to keep the shoes is in the good shape, without any bacteria, because this is really good. I got it from um, TG Maxx. One day when I go to TG Maxx, I saw it, and I said, "Oh my God, this is a good one." Because I know charcoal, bamboo charcoal is very good for absorb all the moisture, all the mold, and they get rid of, and they keep your. I put in my bag too. I bought a lot, and this is the brand. And I bought a lot. When I have it, I saw it at TJ Maxx or Max show, and I got it because I use for my bag, I use for my shoes, and I put on my closet too. For my daughter closet, I put everywhere. So it keep like the shoes fresh, the bag fresh, and keep out of the bacteria. And also I put a cinnamon in my bag too, and that's how I keep my shoes. This is the brand. If you go to, if you sometimes they have it, sometimes they don't. And if you go to Marshall or TG Maxx, and you can look it for it. If they have it, you can. It's very cheap, only $3.99 for that one package with two. One packet. They come in two packets like this. One bag. They have two like this, and it's $4.99, and they on sale for $3.99. Sometimes they don't. They're not on sale. Just $4.99. I got it. I got a lot, and that's it for today. And anything else? Oh, in the front. Let's see. I forgot to show you the height of in the front of the shoes. Okay, so you can see how high it is. And the front is around like 2 inch. So like 5 centimeter in the front of the height of the shoe in the front, and at the back is like 3 inch, 3 inch height, and it's around like 7.5 centimeter is for the shoes. And on the insole they have here, they have Hermes Paris here, right here, and they have an insole right here. It's very soft and comfortable. And yeah, I know because I already tried on my sister's shoes. Yeah, and because I'm really afraid. If I never try it, I don't want to risk to go get it because it's kind of expensive. And if I got it and I never tried before and turn out it's not comfortable and I cannot wear it and it's a waste a lot of money. So that's why I really chicken to get the new shoes if I never try it out. So I try them on my sister's shoes. I try on my cousin's shoes, and I love the white one. And now I keep thinking about white one, and I say I should get two of them, and two of these, one black and one white. And on the day I saw it, but now they don't have my size and the white color. I saw the gold color is pretty too, but maybe I keep checking if they have the available on my site, and what a white and a gold I will get it. And this one finally I got it. It's in my wish list for like almost like 2 years. Then so I can get it. And again, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope this video is useful. If you have any question, please put on the comment below. I will answer all your questions with my knowledge, and I will try it to my best that I can. And if you already subscribed to my channel, thank you for your support. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video is useful, please give it a thumb up so I can know. So let me know that you're interested in it, and will have more video like this for you in the future. And again, thank you, and I wish you and your family have a wonderful time and happy and healthy. I hope I see you all of you in next my video. Bye bye.